Hello everyone, welcome back. I do appreciate you tuning into the channel. My wife's bumper is pretty faded back here in the back, and actually all around, but we're just going to concentrate on the back bumper here. My wife picked up this Meguiar's Ultimate Black on Amazon. It had some great reviews, and it's just under $10 for 12 ounces. So right here, you're just going to put a dab on this microfiber sponge. Just work it in for about 30 seconds in this one area. After you work it in, you're just going to immediately go get a dry rag and just wipe it off, maybe for another 30 seconds. It's that easy. Looks like I got a little bit on the splash guard right here. I'm going to go ahead and just do the bumper for you guys, show you what it looks like, and then I'll end up doing the rest of the trim on the car a little bit later, but just wanted to show you the bumper. How long this will last, I'm not sure guys how long this will last, but it looks really good to begin with. Let's go ahead and speed this up so you can see the end result. This is the first time this bumper has been restored with any type of product. I think it turned out really well. I'll leave the links to Meguiar's plastic restore and also to the microfiber pads in the description below, guys. So I do appreciate you watching. God bless you. Have a great day.